How to fix Instagram black screen problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do is go to apps manager like this, and go to apps, and then search for Instagram like this. Click on Instagram, and then all what you have to do is click on the storage option, and then click on clear data and clear cache, and go back. And now all what you have to do is click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is so simple. This is the last step. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.